Rowing is a huge part of the Orangetheory Fitness workout, and rowing was put into the workout for a very specific purpose, and that purpose is power. Rowing uses over 80% of the muscles in your body, from your hamstrings, to your glutes, to your low back, to your mid back, all while putting zero impact on the joints. So rowing is something everybody can do, yet it's hard to master. You have to first get down the order, the power, and then the timing, and once you have all that, you'll be a successful rower. The biggest mistake people make when it comes to rowing is they row too fast. The 3x3 concept, order, power, and timing, will help slow you down. Let's first go over order. The order is drive with the legs, lean with the core, pull with the arms. Arms go first, you're reversing the order, core, and legs. Legs, core, arms, arms, core. Shoulders are past the hips, handle is past the knees, then you bend your legs. Legs, core, arms, arms, core, legs. Incorrect order is legs first. My arms are going up and over, inefficient, losing power. Legs, core, arms, arms, core, legs. That's short order. Power distribution. 60% of rowing comes from your legs, 20% from your core, 20% from your arms. Biggest muscles in your body are your legs. That's where the power is generated. Legs, core, arms, right? Big jump back with the legs, 60% of the work. Core, arms, just do the rest of it. So it's all about that drive, that explosion to the back of the room, like you're jumping with zero impact on the joints. Lastly, timing. 1 count back, 2 counts recover forward. It's not back and forth like ping pong ball. 1 count back, 2 counts forward. Power, patience, patience. Once again, explode, recover, recover. Not back and forth at the same rate. That'll wear you out, you'll lose power in your legs, and ultimately, your numbers will go down. With rowing, the 3x3 concept is order, power, timing. The correct order is legs, core, arms, arms, core, legs. You drive with the legs, lean with the core, pull with the arms, recover immediately with the arms, then lean in with the core, and bend with the legs. Legs, core, arms, arms, core, legs. Power. 60% legs, the largest muscles in your body. You really drive with your legs. 20% core, a gentle lean forward and a gentle lean backwards. And 20% arms, pulling that handle all the way to mid-torso. Lastly is timing. Rowing is 1 powerful count back, 2 patient recovery counts forward. 1 count back, 2 counts forward. Not the same back and forth at the same speed, focusing on the power and the patience. Once again, rowing is a huge part of what we do, and it takes some time to master. But I want you to think about the 3x3 the next time you're on the rower and really focus on that power. When we do this, we will see more and more orange up on that screen. We'll see you guys in the orange.